from Bug Eye Guys. We're underneath the Survivor Bug Eye and talking about some of its needs. And back here, what we have is kind of interesting. These are the 3 transmission mounts. There's one, let's get the focus. There's one there, there's another one at a 45, and there's supposed to be a third one right where that bolt hole is. This one's missing completely. So what happens is oil gets back here and just gums these up. If you see right there, that goobery glob of stuff is basically the mount sort of oozing itself into oblivion. So anytime your engine comes out, these should be new and refreshed. We'll have to see, we're probably gonna have to take this out. If we could get a center mount in there by raising this, I don't know, but either way, those mounts would be important to change. That's the 3 transmission mounts, and we sell them in our catalog here at Bug Eye Guys. One more thing, a lot of times there's these 2 side bolts that go through the tunnel are missing. One goes in right there, and there's a mirror image of it on the other side. And you wanna make sure those are in place as well if you're ever doing your transmission. This is a rib case transmission in this particular car, but it's the mounts, and they're not expensive, they're just hard to get to. But we have them here at Bug Eye Guys.